All right, what's up, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're looking at one USDT, okay, ONE USDT. This is the Harmony One cryptocurrency, and we're going to be breaking it down, going over some of the bad news going around it, why this thing is dropping so much, and the price levels it's going to drop to. And I'm going to break it down to you, showing you how you're going to get these levels down here that it's going to drop to. All right, and why it's dropping to these levels. And we're really just going to give you guys a nice introduction to some technical analysis and using some things such as the Fibonacci's, so that way you can stop going into things blindly and start to understand some of these charts more and understand the price action and the data a lot better. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Trading View. We're going to left click our Fibonacci retracement tool, and we're going to take this low right here that we created, okay, and go to the previous highs above that low. Okay, so you take your swing low to your swing high, and you chart those up, and it's going to give you price targets below there that the the stock or the cryptocurrency, whatever you're looking at, whatever you're charting up, is going to hit. Okay, it's going to be these levels right here. All right. So this is your 1.618, your 1.414, and your 1.272. All right. And you're going to hit those levels once you break below your one level on the fibs. All right. So what do you see? We break and we do eventually come down. All right. Hitting this level right here, the 1.618 on the fibs. All right. So we'll go ahead and get rid of these drawings now. And we'll go ahead and break down the most recent price action and take a look at it that way. Okay. So we'll get rid of this fibs. We'll hit our Fibonacci tool again, and we'll take our most recent lows that we created and put those to the most recent highs. All right, those swing lows and swing highs. All right, get rid of these little circles real quick. Sorry, having a little bit of technical difficulty. And boom. All right, so this is going to give us what we want to see. All right, and it's going to give us these price targets here that I just drew for you guys. Okay, so this is your 1.272 level, right over there. All right, and you have your 1.41 right there as well. Okay, so these are the two areas most likely if the downtrend continues, all right, using the Fibonacci algorithm math equation, is going to come down to 0.016, okay, and 0.007, all right. Now, the only things that may prevent it from that happening, and some reasons we may see a short-term pop in the near-term future, okay, is we have a little bit of some bullish divergence on the chart, okay, and we're going to break that down real quick using a trend line to very easily and signify. Okay, so if we look at our RSI down here, okay, so pay attention to your RSI now. All right, we can see the bottom on the RSI was this day, April 30th. All right, so we'll come back up here to our chart, okay, and we'll look at April 30th, this day here, and we'll start our trend line down here, and we'll draw it to where the price is currently. Okay, and we can see that that it's obviously a downtrend. Okay, we've created lower lows. Now, along this time, we have not made a single lower low on our RSI. Okay, so we zoom back into our RSI, and we can see we've created a low, a little bit of a higher low, and a little bit of an even higher low. So the relative strength of the price of one is rising as it's dropping. Okay, but this is not a huge buy signal. Okay, if you want to know a lot of the reasons it's dropping, all right, we can go here, and if you just type in Harmony Crypto News, Harmony One Crypto News, you can see Harmony ropes in all these bad news articles. Okay, they lost $100 million. All right, one token slumps. These are all the articles coming out. Breaking: Harmony's Horizon Bridge hacked for $100 million. Hackers swipe $100 million in cryptocurrency, right? So, there's a lot of FUD and a lot of selling pressure going on, surrounding Harmony right now. It's trending number 3, okay, on apewisdom.io for the cryptocurrencies. And, usually it's always Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. Harmony has stepped its way up into the ranks. Okay. So, lots of bad things going on with it currently. So, it's not I wouldn't look for any short-term bullishness. But if we do get a nice little pop, it could be right along this trend line here as we bounced 1, 2, 3 times on the RSI. So if we dip below oversold, which is 30 on the RSI, and we come down here, look for a potential bounce at these areas. Okay, now most likely that would happen at the 0.016 or the 0.007 level that I explained to you guys, and I showed you how we got those price targets using the Fibonacci's. All right, so thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and if you found anything useful in this video, let me know in the comments below, and let me know what ticker you want to see next charted up. All right, because I do viewer requests every single week. So holler at me.